What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I have made a huge new system rework for DEVLOG 3, and that is how my map is rendered. So previously I didn't have a map at all, but now I have one, and it's pretty big. So the way I did this, I would draw an image, and that image would be cut out into chunks. And then once it's cut out into chunks, it will test each color. If the color is this color, or this dark green, then it's going to draw a certain tile on the screen. If it's this brown, it's going to draw dirt. If it's this gray, it's gonna draw a road. If it's this, it's gonna draw light road or whatever you call it. But yeah, that's how it works. And long story short, this took me a lot of time to make. And you might see that the camera's a bit off, but I did that purposefully. So yeah. Um, as you can see, this is everything from. Yes, I'm working on diagonal roads. So this part is this part right here. Wait, let me zoom in. So this part is this parking here, and that's the road or flooring. We can keep walking around the map, and it's pretty nice, playable. Yeah, I made it like this on purpose because, and that's the edge of the map, because I wanted the camera to be like that. But yeah, it's chunking system. Everything works fine. Great. And now I'm gonna put back collisions and the player. Oh, and that should be pretty nice. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.